have fun with the short ah sound. Listen close, it's all around. Cat, bat, hat, and rat. Shorter words, just like that. Look at the jam, it's on my hand. Next to Dad, who has a pan. A big red apple on the mat. Shorter words, imagine that. Liking cat. Can you say it just like that? Nice and clear. Shorter words are fun to hear. Clap, clap, all like map. Tap, tap, all like cap. Sing along just like that. The short ah sound is where it's at. Liking cat. Can you say it just like that? Nice and clear. Now short ah is in your ear.